Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I want to show you this 2017 Buick Enclave. Now this Buick Enclave comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, auto headlights, 20-inch rims. From new, this vehicle's had paint protection on the hood, so very limited rock chips on this vehicle. Up here you can see there's a camera that's part of the forward collision alert system, which this vehicle is equipped with. The mirrors are foldable and heated. Comes with power liftgate, chrome accented exhaust pipes here as well. It also comes with side blind zone alert, which actually right here on the mirror you can see the symbol. When that lights up yellow, you know you have someone in your blind spot. So this 2017 Buick Enclave comes equipped with memory seats, foldable mirrors as I mentioned outside, power windows, lockable power windows for child safety. Over here we have the auto headlights as I mentioned outside. Down here we have the 8-way power bucket seats. And then we have the Bose system, which comes with 10 speakers throughout the vehicle. So we're inside the 2017 Buick Enclave, and I wanted to show you some of the features that we have in here. Conveniently placed on the steering wheel, we have the cruise control buttons. We have a heated steering wheel button. Over here we have the Bluetooth buttons. We also have a volume control for the radio. Up here we have OnStar, which is part of our safety system. Here we have our CD player. And as you can see, I have the navigation system brought up. Great little feature to have in any vehicle. We also have the backup camera. Down here we have lane departure alert, which will warn you if you cross over any line on the highway. We have forward collision alert, as I mentioned outside. Down here we have climate control, which is auto. And just below that we have some more buttons. This one is actually for cooled seats and heated seats below that. Your rear wiper controls, traction control, and because this has the trailering package, it has a tow haul mode, and you can also activate the rear hatch with this button. So in this 2017 Buick Enclave, it does have 3 rows, which gives you the capability of hauling 7 people. Now I'm sitting in the middle row here, which is bucket seats. You can see it folds down nice and neat here. It also has a good, nice walkway through here to access the 3rd row. And then up front here, you can see that the passengers in the rear do have access to climate control functions and USB ports for charging. So as you can see, this 27 Buick Enclave comes with a sunroof as well as a moonroof. So one last thing I wanted to point out with this Buick Enclave is the amount of cargo space it has. By folding down the 3rd row set of seats and the bucket seats in the 2nd row, you have an enormous amount of cargo space. Also, you have a nice little cubby here for storage that you can use with all the seats up, and you have access to the spare tire as well through there. So that's it, 2017 Buick Enclave. This Buick Enclave has just over 91,000 kilometers and is priced just over $30,000. If you have questions on it or would like to schedule a test drive, please give us a call at 403-845-3328.